Aputure B7C. Just a light bulb, but a very interesting one and a pretty powerful one, so let's get started. What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits on channel, and today I have a review of Aputure B7C, by the way. Check this out. Cool, ain't? So let's start off with the kit. In the box we have your instruction or manual. It's in English, by the way. Also here we have a small box where we have this little pouch. It's a pretty good one, you know, a velvet pouch, and it fits perfectly. I mean, the bulb fits perfectly inside of here. And here we have the bulb itself. So let's take this one and put this aside. So here is the bulb itself. It's a pretty heavy one, not the smallest one, but it fits the E27, socket, and it charges via your regular lamp socket, which is nice. It has 1300 mAh of battery life, and on full brightness you can achieve 20 minutes of work time, and on the minimum brightness it's like 4, 5, maybe 6 hours of work time, which is great. So without a lamp, I mean, without a socket, just with the built-in battery. This bulb has active cooling, and when it's on full brightness for a long time it gets pretty warm, a little hot to the touch, so be careful not to burn your fingers, but it's not that hot that you'll have some burns actual. It's just not very comfortable to hold after a pretty big amount of work. So I've paired both bulbs, as you can see right now, and we have from 2000 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin range, and in a minute I'm gonna show you the app, how to work with it, all of the capabilities, so stay tuned for that. It's a pretty powerful light. It has 570 lumen measurement. I'm not sure which distance, probably at 1 meter, and as you can see it's a pretty bright light, and if you get to like 6000 Kelvin it gets even brighter. So no complaints here. And by the way, here we have the button layout, and it's written right here, so you don't need a manual to know which button does which function. It has a TLCI rating of 96, CRI of 95, and SSI at 74, and tungsten SSI at 85. So those are great measurements, and this light is very accurate and you can totally use it on a professional shoot. And by the way, it has 7 watts of power. So now let's try to change this scene a little bit. So I can turn this off. By the way, I have a dimmer there right now, but it flickers on a lower setting, so I don't really know what to do. Let it be bright and let's turn it off. And now let's try a different color for this lamp. So now it's red, green, more green, cyan, bluish, blue, purple, say hello to Gerald Undone, and the pink one. Also, you can do it on a color wheel as you wish, and you can go back to your normal white or warm setting. So why do you even need this type of bulb? It's a pretty useful piece of kit for any videographer, because you can replace the regular practical, the ordinary lamp, with this one and choose your color temperature, choose your intensity and brightness. And you can use up to 8 of those lamps or even more in the Sidus Link app. I'm gonna show you the app in a minute. And you can basically control all of your lamps with the phone app, which is great. Also, those lamps, they have lower CRI rating, so you have the green tint or a magenta tint on the skin if the light shines on the person's face. And also those lamps can flicker if you're using a regular dimmer, like I do have here, as you can see. So let's turn it back to 100% and let's move on to the app. And by the way, there is a special kit with 8 of those lamps in a box, which is nice, and you can charge them simultaneously, and this kit will allow you to cover all of your needs on the shoot. So shooting with practicals never been easier. And the price of one of those bulbs is $70, so it's not the cheapest one, but it's not that pricey because it's a very versatile piece of kit. And the whole kit of 8 of those in the box and the special charging carrying case is $800, which is also a pretty great price. So guys, here's the Sidus Link app. I have both of my bulbs right here. The AC one is in the lamp, and the regular one with the regular power is right here. So what do we know about this app? You can basically work with one lamp or with both simultaneously. We go to все устройства, it's in Russian, but it's all devices, and we can start from the color, CCT. So here we have the intensity from 0.1%, and also here we have the CCT rating, which is Kelvin, 3200, 400, 4000 Kelvin, and 5600 Kelvin. Also, you can dial in full, half, and quarter brightness. Then we go to the gels. Here we have the tungsten and CDB gels, color temperature blue, and the daylight, color temperature orange. A quarter, a half, three quarters, full CDO, and so on. Then we have the HSI mode, hue saturation index, and here you can pick any color you want and you'll see the H, which is hue, degree, and the saturation amount. Here we have some presets and the intensity slider. Then we have the picker, which is right here, and it shows us the hue and the saturation of it. And then we go to effects. Well, let me show you the effects with great music. So for the app, I give it 8 out of 10 because from time to time the app is not that fast, and from time to time I had problems with connecting the bulbs to the app. So overall it's a pretty versatile and a good app. And the last thing I'd like to talk about is about the buttons on the body of this bulb itself. So it has the power button and two buttons, the minus and the plus. If we hit the power button, it simply switches on and off the bulb. The minus and the plus increases or decreases the intensity. Also, if we press and hold, it will work as well, not only by clicks. Also here, if we press and hold the power button, it will also turn off. And when you turn it on, it will check if it's in a DC mode or an AC. AC mode is when it's in the socket itself, and the DC mode is when it's working with its built-in battery. So when you press all three buttons simultaneously, you can see that it was like 30% and then dimmed down, and if we press the power button, it will do like so, 1, 2, 3. green lights. It means that it's now in AC mode and you can basically plug it into a socket and use it as a regular bulb or charge it. If we press again, it will do from 0 to 30% with green, and if we press and hold the power button, you can see that now it's working as a regular bulb with its built-in battery. And the other function is that if we press and hold the power button and the plus button, for instance, or a minus button, it will reset the Bluetooth, but I won't do it because it will disconnect from the app. So guys, that's been it. My review of Aperture B7C. I'm really pleased with this bulb and I'm actually buying one of those. And share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about those bulbs? Have you used one? How do you like this bulb? And all of your thoughts down there. Also, if you did like the content on my channel, please smash the like and subscribe buttons, as I say in my videos, and the notifications bell, of course. This was Oleg Nikitin, No Limits On, and I see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.